Welcome back. You're watching Quest for Quiz, the qualifying round for TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. The scores are Mountain View Primary on 6 and Dunrobin Christian Academy on 4. It's now time for the Junior Challenge Face-Off, which covers math, science, English language, and social studies. The teams have already made their selections for each face-off, so let's begin with math. And this is Kylie Jade Reed-Bennett from Dunrobin Christian Academy up against Tayden Gooden from Mountain View. Kylie Jade, what is the median of 40, 25, 28, and 44?
28.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Tayden?
No, thank you.
It's 34. Kylie Jade, what is the sum of 498 and 169?
$677.
Can you speak up for me, please?
677.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Tayden?
Yes, please. 667.
That is correct. Back to you, Kylie Jade. 2 angles of a triangle. Guys, please be quiet. 2 angles of a triangle are 47 and 71 degrees respectively. What is the size of the third angle?
$78.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Tayden?
Yes, please. 31 degrees.
Incorrect. It's 62 degrees. Kylie Jade, if $700 is shared in the ratio 2 to 3, what is the larger portion? Question passes to you, Tayden. Would you like to try?
No, thank you.
It's $420. And Kylie Jade, what is 0.46 kilometers in meters? Tayden, would you like to try?
No, thank you.
It's 460 meters. Guys, I'm going to ask you to speak up so that I can hear you. Tayden, your questions. What is the median of 39, 18, 30, and 17? Would you like to try, Kylie Jade?
No, miss.
It's 24. Tayden, what is the product of 7 and 23? Would you like to try, Kylie Jade?
Yes, miss. 161.
That is correct. Back to you, Tayden. 2 angles of a triangle are 54 and 49 degrees respectively. What is the size of the third angle? Kylie Jade, would you like to try?
No, miss.
It's 77 degrees. Tayden, if $450 is shared in the ratio 5 to 4, what is the smaller portion? Would you like to try, Kylie Jade?
No, miss.
It's $200. And Tayden, what is 770 millimeters in centimeters? Would you like to try, Kylie Jade?
No, miss.
It's 77 centimeters. That's the end of the math face-off. We move on to science. This is Kira Vassell from Dunrobin Christian Academy up against Keone Buckham from Mountain View. Kira, what is the name given to animals with a backbone?
Vertebrates.
Correct. Complete the statement with the correct word. The type of heat transfer which takes place when there is boiling water in a pot is called?
Evaporation.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Keone?
No, miss.
It's conduction. Kira, what are the three main segments of an insect?
Antennas.
Would you like to try, Keone?
No, miss.
It's head, thorax, and abdomen. Kira, the auditory nerve in the human ear sends messages directly to which organ?
The brain.
Correct. And what type of mixture is salt water?
Acidic.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Keone?
No, miss.
It's a solution. Your questions now, Keone. What is the name for mammals which carry their young in a pouch? Would you like to try, Kira?
Yes, miss. Marsupials.
That's correct. Back to you, Keone. Complete this statement with the correct word. The type of heat transfer that takes place when food is placed in a microwave oven is called? Would you like to try, Kira?
No, miss.
It's convection. Keone, on which segment of an insect are the wings and legs attached?
The back.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Kira?
No, miss.
It's the thorax. Keone, which nerve in the human eye sends messages directly to the brain?
The auditory nerve.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Kira?
Yes, miss. Optic nerve.
Correct. And Keone, what is the name of the process which separates solids from fluids by using a medium through which only the fluid can pass? Would you like to try, Kira?
No, miss.
It's filtration. That's the end of the science face-off. The next face-off is English language between Captain Carolee Brown from Dunrobin Christian Academy and Giuliano Daly from Mountain View. Carolee, spell expression.
E-X-P-R-E-S-S-I-O-N.
Correct. By changing the suffix, give the opposite of hopeful.
Dishopeful.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Giuliano? The answer is hopeless. Carolee, complete the proverb. A bird in the hand. Would you like to try, Giuliano?
No, thank you.
Is worth two in the bush. Carolee, what does the contraction won't stand for?
Will not.
Correct. And identify the verb in the sentence. Mother made cookies for the party.
Made.
That is correct. Giuliano, your questions. Spell preparation.
P-R-E-P-A-R-A-T-I-O-N.
Correct. By adding a prefix, give the opposite of partial.
Partially.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Carolee?
No, thank you.
It's impartial. Giuliano, complete the proverb. Absence makes the heart. Would you like to try, Carolee?
Yes, please.
Go ahead.
Grow fonder.
That is correct. Giuliano, what does the contraction didn't stand for?
Did not.
Correct. And identify the verb in the sentence. The player scored 2 goals in the match.
Player.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Carolee?
Yes, please. Scored.
That is correct. That's the end of the English language face-off. The final face-off is in social studies between John Nathan Young from Dunrobin Christian Academy and Amoya Atkinson, captain for the Mountain View Primary School. John Nathan, which Jamaican security organization has its headquarters at Up Park Camp?
Jamaica Defense Force.
Correct. In which Jamaican parish is the Duns River Falls?
St. Anne.
Correct. How many Earth years does Jupiter take to orbit the Sun?
Miss 88.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Amoya?
No, thank you.
12 years. John Nathan, which group of people introduced roti to the Caribbean?
Miss Africans.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Amoya?
No, thank you.
It's Indians or East Indians. And John Nathan, what is the capital of Guyana?
Miss Georgetown.
That is correct. Amoya, your questions. Which of Jamaica's national heroes was the son of a lawyer who represented several sugar estates? Would you like to try, John Nathan?
Miss, is it Michael Manley?
Incorrect. It's George William Gordon. Amoya, in which Jamaican parish is the Wyas Falls? Would you like to try, John Nathan?
Miss St. Thomas.
Incorrect. It's St. Elizabeth. Amoya, how many Earth years does Saturn take to orbit the Sun?
15.
Speak up for me, please.
15.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, John Nathan?
Miss, is it 88?
Incorrect. It's 30 or 29.5 years. Amoya, which group of people introduced breadfruit to the Caribbean?
Africa.
Bell beat you to it. John Nathan, would you like to try?
Africans.
Incorrect. It's Europeans or English. And Amoya, what is the capital of Trinidad and Tobago? Would you like to try, John Nathan?
No, miss.
Port of Spain. And that's the end of the final face-off and the end of Section 2. The scores are Mountain View Primary on 8 and Dunrobin Christian Academy on 13. Stay tuned, more Quest for Quiz when we return from this break.